This is the south elevator at the brand new, newly built Kopchick Hall at Indiana, Pennsylvania. This building was still under construction when I was here in 2021, or it might have like just started. This is a brand new Otis Gen3. There's a tall center opening door cab. There's 3 different areas, inside and 2 outside. Basement, here we go down.
Basement. Going up.
Up 5 is locked. We can go to 4 though. And 5 must be the mechanical penthouse. Here we go up. No card reader though, which is weird, but I guess there's a lockout. Unfortunately, unlike the other building here, Gen2s, those 2 Gen2s which go like 350 feet a minute, these ones only go 200. Oh well.
4th floor.
Here, 4.
Going down.
Back down to 1. It's a basic tall stainless steel cab with the little mini lights.
First floor.
Here, back at 1.
Going up.
They're closing, that's gonna be it.